Tesla Model S keycards may fail due to several common reasons. Let's explore what might be causing the issue. One common issue is incorrect tap position. The keycard must be held flat against the NFC reader for 2 to 3 seconds. Another reason could be a low battery. Keycards have a battery that lasts 5 to 7 years, but can fail prematurely. Software glitches can also cause problems. These are often fixed with Tesla app updates or vehicle software updates. NFC antenna malfunctions in the vehicle can prevent the card from being read properly. Extreme temperatures, like below freezing or very hot conditions, can affect the card's performance. Interference from other electronic devices, like metal wallets or nearby gadgets, can block the signal. These are the main reasons why your Tesla Model S keycard might not be working. Let's troubleshoot to fix it. Now we'll move to the next section to understand the keycard system better. The Tesla Model S keycard system relies on near-field communication, or NFC, a wireless technology that enables short-range data exchange. This allows the keycard to communicate with the vehicle's sensors without physical contact. For the keycard to work, it must be positioned within a specific range of 10 to 15 centimeters from the door handle or the center console's reader. This proximity ensures secure and reliable communication. The center console also serves as a key card reader, with a dedicated area for card detection. This provides an alternative access point for users. Each key card contains a unique encrypted identification code. When the card is detected, the vehicle verifies this ID against its internal database to grant access, ensuring only authorized cards work. To use the card effectively, tap it directly on the designated sensor spot and hold it there for 2 to 3 seconds. This allows sufficient time for the NFC communication to complete successfully. Be cautious with your card storage. Metal wallets can interfere with the NFC signal, preventing the card from being read properly. Using RFID blocking sleeves or keeping the card away from metal can help maintain reliable operation. Understanding these fundamentals helps ensure your Tesla Model S keycard system works smoothly. To begin pairing your Tesla Model S keycard, first ensure your vehicle is in park mode. This safety step prevents accidental movement while configuring access. Next, open the Tesla mobile app on your smartphone. Navigate through the menu by selecting Vehicle, then Locks, and finally Add Key to initiate the pairing process. When prompted by the app, hold your keycard close to the NFC reader on your Tesla vehicle. The card should be within 10 to 15 centimeters for proper detection. A successful pairing is confirmed by an audible chime from the vehicle and a highlighted card icon appearing in the Tesla app interface. If pairing fails, check that you haven't reached the limit of 4 active keys per vehicle. Tesla systems support up to 4 keys for security and performance reasons. A common issue with Tesla Model S keycards is improper tap positioning. The card must be tapped on specific designated spots on the vehicle, such as the door pillar, also known as the B pillar, or the center console area. These locations contain the NFC readers that detect the card's signal. For proper tapping, hold the card flat against the designated spot on the door pillar or center console. Keep the card steady for 2 to 3 seconds to allow the NFC reader to detect the signal. The card needs to be within 10 to 15 centimeters of the reader for successful authentication. Common mistakes include using thick wallets that can block the NFC signal between the card and the reader. Metal objects or other obstructions can interfere with communication. Always tap the card directly, without anything in between, to ensure a clear connection. If the card still doesn't work after trying the correct positions, experiment with different tapping angles. Try holding the card at slight rotations, such as tilting it a few degrees while keeping it flat against the reader. Also, ensure the card is clean and not damaged, as dirt or wear can affect the NFC chip. If your Tesla Model S keycard fails, start by deleting it from the app. Open the Tesla app and navigate to Vehicle, then Locks, and select Manage Keys. Find the problematic keycard and delete it. Next, restart your Tesla to clear the access system. Hold both steering wheel buttons simultaneously until the touchscreen goes completely black. This takes about 10 to 15 seconds and performs a soft restart. Finally, repair the keycard. Follow the pairing steps from earlier. Ensure the vehicle is in park, open the Tesla app, go to Vehicle, Locks, Add Key, and hold the keycard near the NFC reader on the door pillar or console. Tesla often resolves keycard issues with software updates. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest firmware. Use the keycard health check tool in the app, version 4.20 Plus, to scan for faults and prompts to replace batteries or recalibrate. Low battery voltage can cause read failures in older cards, 5 to 7 years old. Extreme temperatures, especially below -20 degrees Celsius, can significantly impact key card performance by affecting the NFC antenna and battery function. In cold environments like Alaska, users have reported cards failing to read until preheated in a pocket. Electromagnetic interference from aftermarket accessories, such as phone mounts or dash cameras, can disrupt NFC communication. Keep the key card at least 15 centimeters away from magnets and other electronic devices to avoid signal blocking. Avoid stacking multiple key cards together, as this can interfere with NFC signals and cause access denial. Store each card separately in your wallet or pocket to ensure reliable performance. If you've exhausted all troubleshooting steps like resetting access, checking the battery, and verifying tap positions, but your Tesla Model S keycard still fails to work, it's time to seek professional assistance. Contact a Tesla service center for comprehensive diagnostics. They can perform a factory reset of the access system or replace faulty hardware components. Avoid DIY tampering, as this can void your vehicle warranty and potentially cause more damage. Professional help from certified technicians is the safest and most effective solution for persistent keycard problems.